Hi friends, today let's do some fun puzzles. Let's start with the first puzzle. Can you find number 1? It looks like the head. Oh, there it is, number 1. It's nice and yellow. Let's do number 2. Can you find number 2? Oh, there it is, number 2. It's nice and green. Do you know what number comes next? It's the number 3. Let's place it in the puzzle. Next is the number 4. Can you find 4? Oh, there it is, number 4. After 4 comes the number 5, and it looks like it's the leg. There it is, number 5. Next is the number 6, and it's right there, number 6. Next is the number 7. It's small, so it is above the number 6. Next, let's find the number 8. It looks like it's the third leg. Number 8. We're almost there. Next is number 9. And it looks like it's a tail. And the final leg, number 10. What animal this is? It's a giraffe. Well done for solving this. Let's start with our next puzzle. Can you help me find number 1? There it is, number 1. And it's the head. Next is the number 2. Is that number 2? No, that's number 2. Let's put it in the puzzle. Next is the number 3. There it is, number 3. Help me find number 4. Oh, that's number 4. And it's nice and red. What comes after 4? That's right, number 5. Well done, children. Next is the number 6. Is that number 6? No, that's the correct number 6. Next is the number 7. Let's find number 8. And that's the 4th leg. Next is the number 9. We're almost done. The last is the tail, and that's number 10. Well done! And that's a dinosaur. Good job! Let's start with our next puzzle. Let's start with number 1. Next, we have number 2. Can you find number 2? That's number 2. Next, we have number 3. And it's the fin. And it's so small. Number 3 right there. Let's find number 4. There it is, number 4. Where do you think number 4 will go in? It looks like a shape of a fin, so there it will go. Next is the number 5. Help me find 5. There, the orange one. Well done. Next is the number 6. Let's find number 6. No, that's 9. That is 6. Let's place it in the puzzle. Number 6. What comes after number 6? 7. Number 7. Next we have number 8. Almost done. Next is the number 9. After 9 comes the last number, number 10, and the last piece of our puzzle. That's the tail. Well done, children. What animal do you think that is? It's a dolphin. Well done. Let's start with the final puzzle. Can you help me find number 1? That's number 1. Let's find number 2. And it's the shape of a curve. Can you help me find number 2? Number 2. What could it be? It looks like it's a tire. Next is the number 3. There it is. Number 3. What comes after 3? That's right. You have number 4. There is number 4. And it looks like he's the driver. Next, we have number 5. What comes after 5? 6. Next is the number 7. There is a number 7. And it's the biggest piece of the puzzle. Number 7. After 7 comes the number 8. Number 8. Next is the number 9. We are almost done. Looks like we are left with the last tire, and it's the number 10. It's a school bus. Well done, children. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.